Ah, there we go. The comforts of home, sleeping as if you have no care of the world.
Pause. Ah.
She's oblivious. Don't. You're tickling her
No,
foot.
I didn't touch her.
You did, honey. You tickled her. That's why.
I'm trying to like set it down so I can get a better grip.
She's snoring. We're gonna watch the dog in this video.
See if she'll open her eyes. Move your hand. Is that light?
Stop. Okay, hi.
Hi, welcome to
The bloopers.
This is. Do we even care about saying who we are? Who? I think these are just making me dumber. They're doing the opposite of what they need to be doing. Oh, you're not your head.
Now she's awake. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. She's going back to sleep. Okay. Don't take a picture of the dog.
I wasn't.
Okay.
It's a video.
So anyway, we have been editing the videotape, trying to see what we wanted to let you see and what not behind the scenes. So here it comes, the video we've all been waiting for. Bloopers.
The blooper reel.
Yep, for all the videos that we've done all week long.
Well, it was 3 or 4 videos.
Yeah, but I'm putting them out every single day. So,
Yeah.
All right. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Take 2! Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
All right, this is take 2 of...
Is it crooked? Did you just spit it?
No, I was gonna say, I was giving Stephanie a different name.
Oh.
I was renaming Stephanie. Okay.
I feel like it's crooked.
It's not crooked, but it's hot in here because this is take 2.
That's what you think. I'm comfortable.
I don't know how you gotta do your
Action.
overdressed.
Did you put shorts on?
I had to. I was hot. He was rubbing up against me, making me hotter. You're a little hot baby. You're a little hot boy. Yeah.
My boy can't hot.
Oh yes, he's hot.
There's a difference.
Oh, he's hot boy.
Watch out, Lena.
All right.
It's already recording.
Sure is.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hi, Kathy here from
Wait, I
Kathy's.
wasn't ready. Kick it on. What? Oh, never mind. You didn't? You did. Okay, well. Why do I need to know that? I don't need to hear that. And welcome to Behind the Scenes. I can't even grab my... Oh. There we go. Is there a reason you're up here? Can you hand me my hair tie?
Oh, Jesus.
That's nice. That's nice.
Jesus Christ. It's the cat. Are you scared of the cat?
He might be.
I don't know what's wrong with
You.
him. Did you see me?
Yes. It's not sitting how I want it to sit.
What is it, your hair? Look, you got a whole new outfit on. That's pretty neat. I think that's great.
I'll change my hair every video. You ready?
I never noticed it. Shall we pick that one up so that you can hold it too? We're giving one away.
I thought you were talking about the lotion. I did. You pointed at the lotion. I'm like,
Listen, I think this way with it, and we'll put it between us. Okay. Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with
I'm
thoughts.
sorry, she won't stop licking
I
me.
forgot where I was at. Okay.
You forgot where you're at? We're at home.
All right.